In the world of photography, there is a certain kind of magic that doesn't show up on a spec sheet. It's a feeling. It's the way a camera disappears in your hand and becomes an extension of your eye. For years, the Fujifilm X-Pro series has been the soul of the Fuji lineup, the digital rangefinder that dared to be different. But the X-Pro 3 was released a long time ago, and the silence from Japan has been deafening. Until now, we are standing on the edge of 2026, and the whispers have turned into a roar. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Fujifilm X-Pro 4 isn't just coming, it's coming to reclaim the throne of street photography. If you are a photographer who values the experience of the shot as much as the final image, you need to pay attention. Because what Fujifilm has planned for the X-Pro 4 is going to polarize the community, excite the purists, and quite possibly change the way we think about modern digital cameras. Let's address the biggest question first. Why has it taken so long? The X-Pro 3 was a bold experiment with its hidden LCD screen, a love-it-or-hate-it design choice that forced photographers to stay in the moment rather than chimping at their screens. But the world has moved on. We now have 40-megapixel sensors, incredible subject detection autofocus, and stabilization systems that feel like witchcraft. The challenge for Fujifilm was how to pack all that high-tech power into a body that still feels like a vintage film camera. The heart of the X-Pro 4 is rumored to be the X-Trans CMOS 5 HR sensor. We're talking 40.2 megapixels of pure, high-resolution glory. This is the same sensor that made the X-T5 and X-H2 legendary, but inside the X-Pro 4, it serves a different purpose. For a street photographer, 40 megapixels means you can crop in. You can shoot with a 23mm lens and still have enough detail to punch into a 50mm equivalent without losing that professional crispness. It gives you a digital zoom flexibility that makes this the ultimate travel companion. But a sensor is only as good as the processor behind it. The X Processor 5 is coming to the X Pro series, and this is where the speed comes in. The X Pro 4 will feature AI-driven subject detection. Imagine walking through the streets of New York or Tokyo. The camera isn't just looking for a face, it's recognizing eyes, animals, birds, cars, and even bikes. For a street shooter, this means you can focus entirely on your composition while the camera locks onto your subject with surgical precision. It takes the hit or miss out of candid photography. Now, let's talk about the controversial stuff. The screen. The X-Pro 3's hidden screen was a statement, but it was also a point of failure for some, with ribbon cable issues and a lack of versatility. For 2026, the leaks suggest a best-of-both-worlds approach. We are hearing about a dual-axis tilt screen that stays flush with the body, maintaining that sleek rangefinder aesthetic, but offering the flexibility that modern creators need. It's a nod to the professionals who need to get those low-angle shots without lying in the dirt. And then there's the Hybrid Viewfinder, the crown jewel of the X-Pro line. This is what separates the men from the boys. In 2026, the OVF/EVF system is getting a massive resolution bump. The electronic viewfinder is expected to be a 3.69 or even a 5.76 million OLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate.